What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making money with affiliate marketing. First of all, let me show you some of my results. This is my affiliate dashboard for this product. I like to promote high ticket products, although you can go to clickbank.com, DStore24 or JBSU and find a product to promote. So if I click here on payouts, you can see my latest payments, and I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this high ticket product, which is Freedom Accelerator. And the strategy that I'm using to make these commissions is through a sales funnel. Now, if I go to this page, this is my affiliate dashboard for another product. The name is Funnel Freedom. This is software. So the difference between promoting high ticket products and software is that when you promote high ticket products, you can make a good chunk of money when you make a sale. For example, this company pays, as you can see in the screen, 40% commission. And if I scroll down, I can find my affiliate links. And if someone buys the product from any of these links, I can make a commissions. So, but if we promote software, we can make recurring commissions, because people are going to need to use the tool every single month, and that is how you can make recurring monthly commissions. Now let me show you the system that I'm using to promote products, and it's this one. So this is a software, this is an all-in-one marketing platform, and I'm going to click on sites because some people explain that we can just send traffic to our affiliate links, and that's okay. But instead of doing that, what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to a simple page, because I want to collect the information of the prospect, which is the email and the name. So as you can read here where it says funnel steps, so this is a funnel, and this is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. For example, this funnel has a free course opt-in page and a bridge page, and then it has this members area, which is the free course that I'm giving away for free. So if I click here, because I want to show you this page, and this is my opt-in page. So I'm driving traffic to this page. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, they will scroll down, they will see my picture, and they will read here, hey, take the free course. And when people click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. And that is important because I have seen that the more emails I collect, the more money I make. If I have good copywriting skills. So once people opting in their information, Funnel Freedom is going to send to them this free course. So I'm going to click on module 1 so you can see my lead magnet. So the lead magnet is something that we as affiliate marketers, we need to give for the email, because people are not going to put their information just because you tell them, hey, put your best information. You need to give something in exchange for that email. And for this funnel, I'm giving away this free course that I didn't create. So Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of these products, the 70-hour challenge, the Freedom Accelerator, and Funnel Freedom, he created this free course for his affiliates. So basically what I'm doing here is that I'm sending this email. So Funnel Freedom send this free course through email, and then so when people watch the free course, they will see these lessons. This lesson, for example, this is the course introduction, and then when they keep scrolling down, they will find buttons. And for example, when they click here, people will be clicking my affiliate link for the 70-hour freedom challenge. And as you can see, this free course has 7 lessons, and below the lessons people are going to find buttons. For example, here we have this button, so people can join the Facebook group. Then when they click here, This is my affiliate link for the $70 challenge. And that is how I'm promoting products. That is how I'm promoting the $70 challenge, which is my main core offer. So check this out. For example, this is how to build your high ticket affiliate system for free. So in case that you don't want to use, for example, Funnel Freedom or Get Response or ClickFunnels, you can use system.io, and Jonathan Montoya is going to explain step by step how you can create this 24/7 sales system that is going to help you to make commissions. Now, for example, when people scroll down, they will click this button. So get your free system.io account, and this is my affiliate link for system.io. So if I go to lesson number 7, check this out. When people click this button, this is my affiliate link for Funnel Freedom, which is the software that I use to make commissions with affiliate marketing. And if they click here, this is my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator, which is this high ticket product that I promote. As you can see in the screen, these are all the lessons of Freedom Accelerator. The 4 phases of freedom, building an automated sales system, creating between 5 and 15-second short videos, faceless artificial leads, unlimited leads with Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing. And one of the most powerful lessons inside of this training is phase number 2, the automated traffic machine, which is basically what I'm doing to promote products. So I went through all the lessons of Freedom Accelerator, and basically I put into practice all this knowledge. For example, the YouTube funnel algorithm explained, increasing the CTR, distribute to blow up your channel, get monetized in 2 weeks, super hack, blow up your channel using YouTube discovery ads. So basically, guys, this is my main core offer. So I promote Freedom Accelerator through the $70 challenge, and I'm doing that because selling a high ticket product of $1,997, it's difficult. But if you promote the $70 challenge, which the price is only $9, then if people want to upgrade their account to Freedom Accelerator, it's going to be more easy, because first of all, they took action on this love ticket product, which is the $70 challenge. And if they buy the high ticket product, I can make that commission. But more importantly, check this out. If they buy the Funnel Freedom software, which is the number 2, the automated sales system, if they scroll down and click this button, and if they buy the Funnel Freedom software, I can make that commission. And this is super powerful, because I can make commissions by promoting the love ticket product, which is the $70 challenge. I can make commissions. I can make monthly recurring commissions if people buy the Funnel Freedom, which is the software, and if they buy Freedom Accelerator, I can make commissions by promoting high ticket products. So, and it's super awesome, because we can make commissions by promoting love ticket products, software, and high ticket. Now, if I click on Funnel Freedom, so this is my Funnel Freedom account, and if I go to affiliate link settings, you're going to see that I have here all my affiliate links for all of these products. And basically, I'm utilizing Funnel Freedom to promote multiple affiliate marketing products. For example, Secret of Success, System.io, Get Response, Udemy, InVideo. And so by just sending traffic to that funnel that I will show it to you, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails, and inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links for all of these products. And that is how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products, not just only this product that I will show it to you. I'm promoting software, and I'm promoting other high ticket products like Legendary Marketer and supporting offers. And that is why I'm driving traffic to that opt-in page instead of sending traffic to my affiliate links. because having my own email list is going to help me to grow my affiliate marketing business for the long term. And my main traffic source is YouTube, guys. So what I'm doing is that I'm creating content on my YouTube channel. I'm creating content about the things that I'm learning, and for example with this live, so I'm showing to you how I'm making these commissions, and some people resonate with my own story. And if I go here, for example, let me show you, I have I am documenting my own journey. So day 146, day 145, day 144, and I documenting my own journey. And people who resonate with my own story, they subscribe to my YouTube channel, they watch my videos, and if they click the links of that I have on my YouTube videos and put their information, they go through my own sales funnel, and that is how I'm promoting multiple products. Now, YouTube is one of the most powerful social media channels that you can use for affiliate marketing, but you need to note that it takes time. It takes time to start getting results. It takes time to start the ball rolling. But if you have the persistence and the discipline to create content every single day, you can grow up your YouTube channel, and you are going to have more subscribers, and you are going to be able to drive more customers to the products that you are promoting. For example, I like to promote products that I know that are going to help people. For example, I created a YouTube video, Freedom Accelerator Review. And check this out, this YouTube video has 331 views. Jonathan Montoya, Freedom Accelerator Review by a real user. I have another one, Freedom Accelerator Review plus unfair tool for affiliate marketers. So this one only has 64 views. I have another one, 390 views. And that is how I'm driving customers to my sales funnel. And another important tip, if you are going to use YouTube, is to put your affiliate link, well, your own domain or your link of your funnel right over here. So when people go to your channel and click this link, they will be clicking your link of your sales funnel. So basically that is how I'm making commissions, guys. That is how I'm making money with affiliate marketing. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the